Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, I've got the US 100 open on a 5-minute. Let's just go out of here and I'll explain what I'm looking at as we trade into the London Open. Just quickly on the daily time frame. Alright, a strong bearish move down. What we have here is this previous low, these two lows here. If we pull this through, we've actually traded through. What that's telling me is that this is reaching for sell-side liquidity under these lows here. And potentially we see from that a move back, a retrace. When I look at this chart, that's what I'm seeing. A tap into previous low, daily chart, sell-side liquidity. All right, now let's have a look at this on, say, a 4-hour chart. Okay, we've had a little bit of a dip under. It attacks liquidity, and then do we see it retrace? Now, what we have here is, see this candle, this long candle here? All right, if we pick up the previous candle low and the candle after it high, all right, we have this imbalance price gap. It trades back. We get a partial fill, but not completely resolved. Right, so there's definitely room to move here in terms of the market looking to rebalance through this range. So that's one thing. And the other thing is, this is a daily distribution level. I won't go back out, but this is that last green candle on the daily time frame. That's the high and the low. So we've got this daily distribution level. We've got this 4-hour price gap, and we've got this 4-hour. Have a look at this green candle left distribution level through here, right? So these are my, well, that's a target for me, and it coincides with the lows through here. Okay, the bottom of this range. Now, if you're looking at this from a Fibonacci retracement thing perspective, okay, pull your fib and look what we've got here. A lot of things make sense here. We've got the yellow zone, 61.8. Fib retrace. All right, so there's definitely room for this to move back up, look to resolve this price gap, seeking liquidity. Okay, where is their liquidity? It's resting above all through here. All right, now if smart money wants to short this, they're not going to be buying up or selling big down here. They're going to be looking for a fill in the form of, say, buy-side liquidity. So first of all, they tap it into, and have a look, we've got more or less a double bottom and another spike further down here. I mean, this is telling me that this wants to retrace. I'm just looking to build an argument for a trade idea, and this is what I'm looking at. So the potential for this to retrace. By the way, guys, have a look at the links below, and there's a video there on growing a Forex account and a prop firm account. Have a look at that. That's a pretty interesting video. And of course, join my free Discord group. That's available in the link in the description or the signature below the video. So coming back to this, so we've got kind of a double bottom thing here. It dips further down. Okay, so this is attacking sell side liquidity under here and from previous daily low. So is that enough for this then to work its way back up? Here's another thing too. Have a look at this. This range, it's building liquidity. It's building liquidity. Okay, so you've probably got a lot of retail traders at the moment seeing how this is overextended. They're buying and they have their stop losses set up in here. So just watch for this to potentially, it's already spiked into it here. It could reach a little bit further, take out these stops, and then we get the move back up. So just watch out for that. So we're trading into the London Open at the moment. Yeah, I mean, I'm watching this. We've got this range. We've got the liquidity build up under. Now, here's another thing as well. It's Friday. Friday and Monday, we quite often, like this is a strong bearish trend. Quite often, we'll see it trade in the opposite direction, hunting liquidity. Where is there liquidity above? All through here. See these shorts all through here? All right, so we've got a huge buildup of liquidity up in around this zone here. So it makes sense that smart money, if they're wanting to tank this, possibly we see it roll over next week for further downside, possibly. I think we see a decent retrace Friday, Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday. You know, so that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm seeing on this chart. the play that I'm going to be looking for will be possibly a buy opportunity here, but be careful because it can wick down before it wicks back up. So watch how it trades into the London Open. So we'll just go down to 5 minute. Why not? I'm just watching this how it trades into the London Open. Now it could, if it rolls over here and it takes a little dive right on the London Session Open, I would be looking for this to potentially go down to a 3 minute. Okay, if that continues down, then we see it drop here. I'll be looking for the rotation here, and my target will be, well, I mean, you got these levels up here. That's going to be it. I'll take money off early, and then I'll leave a portion in to run and trail it. But let's see. I mean, this could trade up into the London Open, and then you just got to wait and let the market invite you in, basically. So I think I'm looking for, we've got this range through here more or less. It's taken a bit of a dive. Okay, so is this the fake out prior to our shakeout move up? Anyway, watch it here. See if it rotates. There could be a long. If it trades up into the London Open, it could rotate back down into the Asian session. But either way, here or here, I'm going to be looking for the rotation and a counter trend opportunity. Friday, Monday, I think we get that. But again, I mean, that's just making an assumption. Wait for the market to set up and invite you in, and then then there's potential opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. US 100. What else can I say? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, if you wanted to get involved with that, I would be waiting for, see if we get this and some sort of rotation, and then we see, higher highs and higher lows starting to form here. That will be a cue to enter long, but I want to see it drop here first, under here. Okay, that's my take on the US 100, guys. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.